Today is one of those days you get a reminder that life can change so fast. I know I'm out of focus too. Today is the day we lost our Nala dog. Wasn't a snake bite, wasn't a spider or a tick, wasn't old age, it was just her time. She was just running, chasing the ball. Halfway through the run, sprinting to get the ball, she just collapsed in yelping. She fractured her spinal cord way up high, basically paralysing her, and back legs and mostly her front legs too. She stopped yelping, and then she just needed care. She was just changed and just very concerned and everything like that, and she wasn't able to move. She was responsive, bright-eyed as ever. Took her to the vet, and he confirmed with an X-ray. He knew straight away, and it was described as one of the most severe cases of that the dog can have if there's options of surgery, self-healing. This is at the end where options weren't options. We only had one option left. And so this is the day that Nala passed away, and we're devastated. Well, I hope you enjoy the video of watching Nala as much as we enjoyed having her in our lives, being a part of our lives, being a part of our children's lives and grandparents' lives. And she was just a bundle of joy and energy, and she was just a beautiful family dog. The world can learn a lot from the innocence and love of a puppy, this world of hate. And she showed us that just loyalty and love is it's what's left when she's gone, just those fond memories. Our daughter Emily brought Nala home when she was about 5 weeks old back in 2017, just a tiny little puppy. And I guess, to be truthful, I was very concerned at the time because she's a Kelpie cross border collie, and they're a working dog. They require a lot of work. They're very intelligent and they have so much energy. I guess thinking back, I was just a little concerned that our yard might be just a little too small for a working dog, and she might then get up to a little bit of mischief. But I'm so happy to admit that as she was growing up, she really bonded with the family. She was such a beautiful, loving dog, and she just loved adventure. So we went on lots of camping trips, and then we started later on building up our property off-grid, and she was a big part of that journey. Lots of family time. We had lots of family fun.
Hello. Merry Christmas.
Oh, what?
Alright, that's that bit.
No!
Give her one now.
Look, Nala! This is for you! Merry Christmas! No, they got the same. Yeah, you need scissors to open it.
Alright. Keep going. What you doing? Where are you going? Well, I guess it's time for bed. Oh, she's gone. Oh, that sweet girl. Right. Oh, you're awake now. Don't you hog the bed. Up, up! Whoa! Watch out. Watch my face with that. Here. Want to play? It's your toy. Ready? Oh, you're clever. See ya.
You lie in the sun and warm up. Hey.
Shake. Here we go. Oh, it's windy.
Come on. Good girl.
Good girl.
Oh, say goodbye to your spot. Deep, isn't it? Oh, no.
Come on. On. Oh, okay, down you get. You're hurting me. Oh, you rotten dog. Look at you go. Nala, where's the ball? Where's the ball?
Ready? Just so you can get this off my back. I'm glad I got it back. Drop it. Drop it. Drop it.
Oh, sorry about that. Nala was just taking a dump whilst I was filming. Oh, she's happy now. Look at that. Nala, kidding yourself, dog. Leave the kangas alone. Sit down. Lift the sheet up. Ski. Nala, is that hole lined up? Is these holes, the lower holes, lined up?
Is that good?
Nala, tell me,
Go.
Nala,
Yes.
wag your tail if the holes are lined up.
There you go. Last one. All gone. Do you want to lick the bowl? Or I can give it to Nala.
No, no. What are you doing coming? You coming at me? You coming at me? What you doing? Oh. Goodness me, Nala. You're a shocking thing. Up the stairs. Up the stairs. Go on. Up. Whoa. Up, 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 up. Well done. Good girl. Now down. Whoa. That was a bit quick. Psycho. Nala girl, thank you for everything. You're a beautiful puppy. Miss you and love you. Okay, go. Go.